All right, here we go. 1969 442. Gonna take a little ride around the block. Hey, there we go. Hey, there's that familiar stop sign. Drives pretty good.
Yeah, it's a nice tight car. No rattles. Smooth acceleration.
Yep. Numbers matching 400 engine in it.
Cold air conditioning. I think it's got tunes too. Let's see what we got.
The Bengals? Oh, come on, never mind. I wanted some guy tunes. Next time. You never know what they're gonna play. Yep, this thing drives great. Good acceleration. Got automatic transmission, so you know everybody can drive it.
It's geared nice too. Feels like a freeway flyer.
Alright, we're going to take some pictures of this and another video, close-ups. Show it off. Alright, check this out. 1969 Olds 442. Really nice looking. Kind of rare cars. This one's got a numbers matching 400. And then it's got automatic tranny. And the dual exhaust, of course, and upgraded 134 AC, which blows cold. It's got power steering, power front disc brakes, bucket seats, center console, power windows. It's got an under dash Pioneer system there, so you can get some good tunes, but we didn't, you know, cut up the dash or anything like that. And it's got the Oldsmobile Rallys on it. And this is a California car. That's the original black license plate. And it's in the right sequence and everything, so this has been in California all its life. I'm going to go ahead and show you the interior of the car. There we go. Thing's been restored, nicely done. Got some extra little gauges under there, which I don't blame you. Keep an eye on everything in this car. And there's the center console. Seats are done up real nice. There's the back seat area. Get ready to show you the engine. Alright, here's the power plant here. Nice 400, numbers matching. Runs great. We have a little driving video that we put on here. Thing runs beautiful. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Really nice. We're going to go ahead and start this up. Sounds really good. I'm going to run back there and let you listen to the exhaust. Well, we got this nice 442 waiting here at California Cars for you. You can give Richard Gary a call at 818-591-1313. We're located at Simi Valley, California Cars.